Well, what's happened to the autumn chill, I hear you cry? There is some cold weather around, particularly on the eastern side of Europe. You can see it was particularly chilly last night in Moscow and in Oslo. And that cooler weather will be working its way down that eastern side of Europe through the weekend, taking some thunderstorms across Turkey. And that same cloud joining back to some rather wet and windy weather pushing across northern parts of the British Isles. We are going to see these Atlantic weather systems dipping into the far north of the British Isles from time to time over the weekend, bringing some pretty strong winds. As you can see, the tightly packed isobars indicating that at times the winds will be very close to gale force. Now, we've got a lot of cloud in the northwest today, but we have got some breaks, most notably in that cloud sheet, those breaks on the eastern side of Scotland and also across southeastern parts of England. So top temperatures 21 degrees in Aberdeen today, perhaps around about 19 or 20 in those brighter moments in the south. As I said before, a lot of cloud to the northwest, and indeed we're expecting a little bit of drizzle on the coast of Wales, on the Cumbrian Fells. From time to time, a little bit of drizzle over the high ground of Northern Ireland, up the western side of Scotland, perhaps some heavier rain across the far north of Scotland through the rest of the day and into this evening. Overnight tonight, some heavy rain coming back into the far north of Scotland, Lewis, the northern mainland, Orkney and Shetland. In the west, the cloud stays with a little bit of drizzle here and there. Further east, though, still some holes in that cloud sheet, and that could lead to some mist and fog, and that might be slow to clear tomorrow. Temperatures holding up fairly well overnight tonight. Then over the weekend, those weather systems are pushing across northern areas, bringing some wet and windy weather at times to Scotland and Northern Ireland. Still the best of any sunshine in the southeast. And talking of